Okay, so one thing you can do to increase your conversions is keep people on your website for longer. Make sure your website loads before they leave. I've checked out a lot of Shopify sites throughout my consultancy work, and one big thing that people need to improve is their load time, especially if they're using a lot of apps on their Shopify store, which is often the case. So all you do is head over to Google Page Speed Insights tool. It's very easy to find. Just Google Page Speed Insights. You'll come up to this page here. Put in your web page URL, click Analyze. It'll take a few moments to analyze, and it'll show you a score out of 100 for desktop and a score out of 100 for mobile. All you have to do is implement those changes. If you don't know how to implement any of the changes, you can hire a developer to do so on Upwork for about $20 an hour. I hired one, it took him an hour and a half. It took, $30 is not a lot of money. And I've noticed a difference in the maintaining my traffic. My bounce rate has decreased, and people are staying on the site much longer because it's loading quicker.